Yes.
We made it.
Yes.
Yes.
We got just
Let's find the
robot.
Wow, that sounds idea. Sounds idea.
what's
Who's that?
what is that? I
Can know.
you look like
Ah,
sounds like
roar. It's closer to the restaurant. It's far away to the damage of the restaurant.
no
Oh, he
can
be.
holy shit
Check.
guys
Get the Michael.
Godzilla.
Seen it, count money in my dream. Yeah.
Where is it? I can see him there.
Right there, over here. Oh, what are you doing? Q and Super Mega Godzilla. Alright, let's do it.
Let's
Right, we have to
fight it.
quit.
Fight.
Phew, I think you know clear.
I can
And no,
Jeremy
he looked
like
Tyrannosaurus
those rocks
looked like a
Spinosaurus
and
the green.
That was a Giganotosaurus. Giganotosaurus. That's leaving Cenomanian period about 93.5 million years ago.
Wow, that's scary.
Alright,
I just
stay here. Yes.
found the key.
Yes, I have to get out of here now. Oh, it's on. Alright, let's go.